Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening YouTube while signed in, go straight to your profile icon, then Settings, then Notifications. This is where YouTube stores global controls for email, push, and subscriptions. Once there, scan the main toggles so you know what's enabled. Make sure to leave the app open while you change options because some controls prompt overlays. By beginning here, you avoid toggling device settings first. We'll handle those after you set YouTube's own notification preferences. Now move into the detailed controls. First, scroll to Subscriptions and Channel Subscriptions sections. For channels sending too many alerts, click the bell icon on their page and select None or Personalized as needed. This stops immediate push noise. Also toggle off recommended video notifications and other types like email or SMS you don't want. Once done, confirm the global push notifications switch is off if you want silence. Otherwise, refine per channel settings to keep only the alerts you truly need. Finish by checking device level settings. On Android or iPhone, go to System or Settings, right arrow Notifications, right arrow YouTube, then toggle off push. On desktop, open browser site settings and block notifications for YouTube. After changing both YouTube and device settings, force close and reopen the app or clear the browser cache to ensure changes take effect. If notifications keep arriving, make sure you're signed into the same account you adjusted. Also check secondary accounts and resync settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.